Hi viewers, it's a pleasure being with you and I am going to show you how to make a finger food and a fish pie. Those two are different, so we will see how it is made. Before making all that, I will need the short crust pastry. To make the short crust pastry, we need flour, that's roughly about 150 grams of flour, and 60 grams margarine or butter, a baking powder half a teaspoon, and we need a little salt, it's very important, and mixing all that together, and little by little add water, cold water, not ice water. We don't need ice water for this type of preparation, but you add all these together and make the pastry. Actually, the pastry is ready now and we will start kneading it well. Nicely knead and get the texture. Once you get this texture, what you have to do is you have to keep it in a bowl at least for half an hour before you start mixing. So we will keep this aside and take the pastry that I have already done for you and kept it. Now see what we are doing. Knead it well. Roll the pastry, see, half an hour keep it and then you start rolling. And if it is sticky, you can add a little more flour if you find that it is sticky, right? So now this is okay. Before I cut it, lift it, keep it back so that we are sure that it's not sticking on the board. Now first thing I am going to do here is a square cutting. Either you can use this cutter or this cutter, that's left to you. Once you cut, turn it onto the other side and keep it. Okay, this is for the I need the pastry for another one. So first of all we will do this. See, either you can use this cutter or you can use this fluted cutter or you can use this plain one also. Now what I am going to do is I have a little mustard cream. Mustard cream. I just applied a little mustard cream and I apply a little tomato sauce. Sausage. Twist. This is called sausage boats. This is the first one. We have to bake this now. Okay. This is the finger food I have done, but we are going to bake it. I have not completed it, but we will do it a bit later. Now I am going to do the other pastry for the fish pie. So for the fish pie also the same short crust pastry is used and we will see how it is done. One is a small one like a finger food we can do, or you can do the pie for a say like dinner time. What I have done here, I have taken a little butter, apply on this. Butter it. This goes into them. Just cut it off like that. The pastry, same pastry that we are using, short crust pastry. We can even have a bigger mold also instead of using this. Since we are going to put a filling, what I want is slightly prick it with a fork slightly, and what we will do is slowly we will keep this in the oven for 2 minutes. Bland baking, what do you call it? Bland baking we will do only for 2 minutes. 180 centigrades, and for 2 minutes we have to just keep for 2 minutes. We kept the pastry for bland baking. Now what I am going to do is the filling. To make the filling, I told you, fish. Fresh fish if you are taking, boil the fish with salt, pepper, turmeric, and then you mash it up and take it. Or canned fish, straight away you can mash it. And see what I am going to do now. The fish, and mash it up. Garlic, onions, green chili, curry leaves, all that mixed together. After that, a little seasoning, pepper, turmeric. If you like, a little chili powder, but not a lot. Chili pieces we can use, that's lovely. And spices. When you say spices, cardamom and cinnamon, and a little salt I put. It's not over. Now I am going to use small quantity I am doing, so 1 egg I am going to use. Yolk and the white together, 1 egg. I am going to use the milk, fresh milk. It has to be nice and soggy. All the seasoning that we have used, this is the texture we need to make that pie. We kept the pastry in the oven. Now I have to take this lightly. It's 2 minutes only. So 2 minutes means it's not that hot. Why did we bake for 2 minutes? So that the bottom of the pastry gets cooked. When we put the filling, sometimes the pastry might not get cooked. That's the reason. So now these two are ready for us. Can you see that? These two are ready. And I have my sausage boats. So we will bake all this together. Okay. What I have to do now is, only for this, not for the pie, fish pie, only for the sausage roll. See, as I told you, the sausage ones are baked for 18 minutes and the other one is baked for 20 to 25 minutes. Bake it and take, because it's going to be 180 centigrades and the timing will change. First I will put for 25 minutes, but I will take halfway through the sausage ones. Right? We'll bake it and take, then we can see what we are going to do. Now we are going to make the potato cream. Take the potatoes, about 2 or 3 potatoes according to the quantity of the pastry that we are doing, and boil it, mash it and keep it ready. Salt I have used, and white pepper we need. Mix it nicely, salt and pepper, and little by little, this potatoes I have mashed, but either you use a string up a mold or the potato masher and mash this and take it. Okay, right, that's enough. Creamy. And I am going to put a little coloring, food coloring, mix it well, that's yellow coloring, shaded only I want, so I will just put a little. The sausage ones I need first. Potato cream I am going to use for this sausage. It's going to be like a boat which we have done, sausage boat we call it. We have not finished yet. We will do another one, that is the fish pie, changing the nozzle to number 13, and this time I am going to use a little bit of red coloring. We will fill this pink color, shaded pink. This could be served as finger food. So, see, small ones, finger food we serve, fish pie and the sausage boards. The fish pie, larger ones, to serve like a salad with the fish bun, so that it's nice for dinner. So, I'm getting ready for dinner now. Okay, see how it's done for dinner time. This is how gherkins, tomatoes, and whatever you like you can serve with. For this salad I have to use a little bit of pepper and salt. Do not forget, salt and pepper we have to use. Two different kinds of finger food we have done for you, so that you will really like it. So finger food, when you do tea time, if guests are coming, you can serve those finger food, which is really nice and tasty also. This is all my preparation, which I love to show you all how you could really do different type of preparations in cooking. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy my cooking. Thank you.